This is the most heartwarming video on the internet. This girl's pet parrot accidentally broke his neck. He suddenly started vomiting without any signs and later dropped some weight. As soon as this girl realized it, she traveled miles to give the cute little orange a chance to be healthy. After a couple of weeks of treatment, Orange is currently in the recovery stage. This proves that everyone must pay attention to the abnormal behavior of their pets and respond in time. Orange's story is a testament to the incredible bond between pets and their humans, where love and care can truly make a world of difference.